What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be fishing with this brand I've been wanting to fish with for a while. These things are pretty new, and it's a Walmart brand. It's Ozark Trail. This is Walmart's like fishing brand, their like main one. Academy has their brand, Dick's has their brand. So we have Walmart's brand, and these things are coming in at a whopping $1.97 a pack, which is actually a deal because the worms are like 14, 9, 10. There's a lot of soft plastics in these bags, and I picked up 3 of the lures they make. There's a shad, there's a worm, there's a, what else is there? A lizard. There's 3 of them. They have a lot of colors. I picked up one in every color, and I picked up the green ones and the lizard, and then like a Junebug and worms, and then the shad color that they had. And these things look really good. They also have a nice scent to them, but for $1.97 you can pick up some pretty good lures, and we're gonna put them to the test today. We're out at this pond. I fished it one time, and we caught fish on a Texas rig, and that's what we're gonna be throwing all these on today. And I think these things are gonna slay some fish. We're gonna put the hammer down, and hopefully maybe we can catch a lot, because I don't know if there's any size out here, but we're gonna try our best. And let's go ahead and get these things tied up, get to the GoPro, and slay some fish. All right, so right here we have our 3 Ozark Trail soft plastics. We got the Lunker Lizard. This is a chart pepper color, so it's a nice little neon green with some black flakes in there. That looks juicy. Then we got some nice kicker curl Junebug worms. These are like the 7 inches. These things look pretty good too. They all look really nice for $1.97. Plus you get a lot of them. They're also pretty stretchy and pretty durable. Oh, that one wasn't as durable as I thought it was. All right, we're just gonna ignore that just happened. Next up, we have the Shiner Shad, and this is in the smoking shad color. This is a pretty cool look to it. I know these things are gonna slay some fish. I mean, look at this nice little soft plastic. These things are also pretty durable. Let's not break it like the last one. All right, so I tied up the old little lizard, the Lunker Lizard, and actually I have this thing on a little Ozark Trail tungsten weight. These things are new, so I wanted to test them out, you know. Let's go ahead, see if we can catch a fish on this lizard. I think we got it. Last time I came out here, these fish were all over the soft plastics, and I think this time they're going to be slaying this nice little lizard and this worm and this little shad. It's about to be game over out here. Oh, I'm getting a bite. Fish. Oh, I just threw my rod into the ground. I missed him. That was terrible. That was awful. Why did I do that? I'm used to those boat hook sets where you got plenty of room. That don't happen this time. I picked that thing off the bottom, and I was just kind of swimming it because I don't think these fish are on the bottom, and it proved me right. I just totally missed that fish because of myself. It's a great hook set by me. Oh, fish. Got him. Oh my gosh, that was insane. Get up here. There's a little guy. He came up and smacked it. Oh my gosh, that was crazy. What's up, guy? He came up and hammered it. I was just swimming it. He came up and popped it. Wow, that was insane. Get that little guy. Ah, my lizard touched my leg. That felt weird. First fish of the day. He's a nice little... He's an odd looking little guy. He's skinny. But hey, he wanted that nice little Ozark Trail lure. Nice little greenie. All right, let's get him back. See, what I like about this pond is you can get those nice little releases. Because look, you just lay him down right here. See you, buddy. Look at him. Oh, show us how you really feel. Yes, sir. First lure down. We're going to keep throwing it. I want to try and catch like 2 to 3 on each lure. Feel like that would be a good amount. 2 to 3, that's a nice number. I think if we can get 2 on the lizard, 3 on the worm, and then 2 on the shad, we'll be chilling. All right, well, that was pretty cool. That was a cool little hit right there. When I set the hook, I saw him too. He came at it from like the left side and just smoked it. Back out. Let's go. All right, let's take it over a little bit. Oh, something just moved right there. I just spooked it. Oh no. It's kind of disappointing. Oh, he's got it. Got him. Oh, that's a decent one. Oh my gosh, this might be the biggest one I've caught out here. 100%. I think that's the biggest I've ever caught out here. That's a nice one. It's a nice little pound. easily. Yep, he's a decent one. Like I said, I've only fished the spot once. I don't really know how big the fish are out here, but the only ones I've caught have been pretty small. This is definitely an increase of size. Look at that guy. Wow. He has a big old head. Big old noggin on him. Look at that. Dang, I'm just making fun of the fish. All right, let's put you back, guy. See ya. So graceful with it. Oh my gosh. All right, the lizard is just popping off. Slaying some fish out here with this thing. I saw some bait fish moving over there. That's where you need to go throw. Throw in that corner over there. Oh, I got one. Oh my gosh, dude, that was terrible. He got off. He took my lizard. I guess that's a sign to move to something else, I guess. Dang, I really just sucked it up right there. I just totally messed up my hook set. I didn't reel down to it. I just set it on slack line. That was sick. I have some lures in my pocket. First thing we grab is what we're using. All right, using a Junebug worm. This thing's gonna slay. We're about to catch some monsters. And by monsters, I mean pounders, but hey, we're catching fish. I'm out of breath. Ran all the way back to the car, grabbed some lures. All right, let's get this thing in the water. You cannot tell me that this Junebug kicker worm does not look legit. Look at that thing. All right, let's get this thing bit. This thing looks really nice. Oh, got one. Got him. Dang, he just started running with it. He was digging down with it. He wanted the worm. Let's get him up in here. I was trying to like make this fight go a lot longer so he looks bigger. But then when I pull him up and he's like a pound, then we can just not talk about it. Oh, that's a weird hook set right there. Bottom of the lip. How did he even do that? Another little guy. Like I said, they're little, but they have a big noggin. And they like the Ozark Trail plastics. See you, guy. All right. First fish on the worm. This thing is actually really durable. And it has a nice little color to it, too. This tungsten weight's pretty legit, too. It is actually really good. Surprisingly, you think that like a tungsten weight from Walmart would be kind of whack, but it's actually pretty good. Seems like they are not as big as a fan of the worm than I thought they would be. Maybe it's because the Junebug on this thing is actually kind of dark. Like it's not like a bright poppy Junebug. It's all good though. We're gonna catch them. All right, let's get it down to. Let's walk down a little bit. See if we can maybe find some fish. Like, I like how shallow it is right here. You can, like, see what's happening. Oh, that's a fish. Got him. Oh, my gosh. He really dug in. He's little, but he was digging. He was little, but he was digging that worm. God, they fight so weird. It's so much fun. The little guys, they're so fun. Look at that little guy. Ah! Look at that little guy. Nice little color. All right, we caught another one on the worm. Now we've swapped up to the old shad, the little fluke. This thing looks juicy. I like the color on this thing. Let's see if we can catch a little fish. This is a lot heavier than the past few things. Crazy. Oh, I'm getting bit. He has it. He has it. Got him. Oh my gosh. Get up here. Oh, he let go. Oh my gosh. He let go. That was our opportunity right there, and we just blew it. It was such a weird bite. He just came and was nibbling on the tail of it. Real gracefully. Oh, that sucks. That was the one right there. The one we needed. All right, we just got done fishing with the Ozark Trail lures. These were the main lures of the day. The lizards slayed out here. The shad, the little fluke was not happening. I tried my best. It was not working. These things actually have a really cool scent to them. And they're pretty durable, they're pretty cool looking, they're pretty cheap. You get a lot of them, like there was 8 lizards in this pack. So you get a pretty good amount. I think there was like 14 worms, probably about 8 flukes in there. And the lizards in this color were slaying today. Threw them on a little Texas rig. I was actually really surprised with these lures because I thought they weren't going to be that good. But you get a lot of them, they're cheap, they're durable, and we caught fish. That's the main thing with my soft plastics. I like to catch fish, and that's what we did today. We got the mission accomplished. And if I'd use these again, I really would. They're really good, cheap. That's the best part. They're like $1.97, so you can just go out to Walmart, buy these things, and fish with them, and know that you'll catch fish, especially with these lizards. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a like and a comment. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure to drop a sub, and I will see you guys in the next one.